Charlie Bryant with your Pool Dog free tip. Today we're going to discuss the mistakes that people make when shooting an object ball that is sitting in the corner pocket, and some alternatives that will help you play better position. Many people see the one ball sitting here in the pocket and they say, well, this is too easy. They just jump down, fire at the ball, and even though they make it, they end up leaving themselves badly. Let me show you the example. Well, this is because they don't fully understand the dynamics of the shot itself. Some of the most common mistakes made by players in this situation are: they hit the ball too full and too hard with top English, causing the cue ball to die like it did right there, or that they try to draw the cue ball straight back after contact. These situations can result in a loss of momentum after contact and are harder to control when trying to play shape. Now let's go over a few ways to shoot this shot and get a positive result. There are three main ways to play position off of this ball. The first is to cut it thin and use an angle off the rail to travel any distance that you want to. So let me shoot the shot. Well, now I'd like to help you when drawing a ball when it's sitting in the hole. Well, as we all know, when you're trying to draw that ball, it's really hard unless you have a real powerful draw stroke. It's hard to get it to travel any distance. Well, I want to give you a little tip here about when that ball's sitting in the hole and you want to try to draw it out of there. Well, what you need to do, instead of hitting the ball full, you hit it not as much full, but you get to the rail as quick as you can after making the ball. So let me show you an example. By me getting to the rail there as quick as possible after I made that ball, I was able to travel a good distance. So I hope this helps you when trying to draw the ball when it's sitting in the hole. Okay, now I want to give you another example, and it's what I call railing the ball in, which railing the ball in means kicking. What I would do here is kick a little bit before the one ball. I want to try my best not to hit it full, because if you hit it full, it's not going to travel much. So we want to kick and try to hit the ball at about a half ball hit. So let me show you the example. A good tip to remember is when you're kicking at these balls like this, if you hit it real thin when you come off the rail, the ball's going to travel a long distance. So just tinker with that a little bit and see what you can do with kicking the ball in first. Shooting an object ball sitting in the corner pocket comes up in almost every game. It is one of the most versatile shots because of the range of options, and yet it is often shot wrong. I hope this helps you better understand it so that the next time you find yourself facing this situation, you'll know what to do. This has been Charlie Hillbilly Bryant with your Pool Dog free tip.